Pleasant day, sir and ma'am. I'm Edwin G. Lacsa Jr., 21 years old, living in Pangayan, Ibaan, Batangas. I'm taking Bachelor Industrial Technology, major in Computer Technology in Batangas State University. Governor Pablo Borbon, Main Campus 2, located at Golden Country Homes, Alanginan, Batangas. My father's name is Edwin L. Lacsa Sr., 47 years old, live in Pangayan, Ibaan, Batangas. He worked as a construction worker, and my mother's name is Romana G. Laksa, 46 years old. Also, live in Pangayan, Iban, Batangas. She is a housekeeper. They have three siblings, my sister, my youngest brother, and I. My sister's name is Michelle Angie Laksa, graduated at BSU Main Campus 1, major in Business Management. And my youngest brother is Ryan Kevin G. Laksa. He stopped of studying because of lack of financial. In terms of my skill, I have a basic knowledge about computer hardware, programming, and basic troubleshooting. And I also have a basic knowledge in electronics and photo video editing. I'm a higher up than other student because I'm a fast learner in terms of outdoor activities. My hobbies are reading books, computer gaming, net surfing, playing badminton, and playing sepak takraw. Thank you for this opportunity to take up this kind of on-the-job training program in Malaysia. Again, thank you and a good day, sir and ma'am.